Find a comfortable position wherever you are right now. You might like to sit upright with your feet resting gently on the floor, or lie down if that feels better for your body. There is no right way, only what allows you to feel at ease. Allow your eyes to soften and close whenever you are ready. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Notice the weight of your body being held by the surface beneath you. You are safe here. You can let go. Imagine a garden. It might be one you have known, or one you create in your mind. There is soil, rich, dark, ready for planting. There are tools, a trowel, perhaps, even a watering can, and you are the gardener. Today, you are planting the seeds. Not ordinary seeds, but seeds of intention. Seeds of what you wish to grow in your life. The garden is a metaphor. It is also real. Your mind is the soil, and your intentions are the seeds. You might like to choose one intention, be it patience, courage, creativity, or kindness. Whatever feels alive in you now. Imagine holding that intention like a seed in your palm. Small, potent, full of potential. You kneel. You make a small hole in the soil. You place the seed inside. You cover it gently, and you water it. You trust. This seed cannot be rushed. It will sprout when conditions are right, and you have created the conditions. A seed does not bloom overnight. It takes time, care, sun, and rain. You are not in charge of the timing. You are in charge of showing up, of watering, of believing that something is growing even when you cannot see it. You have planted, and that is the first step. The rest will unfold. You might like to offer a wish to your seed. May you grow strong. May you find the light you need. And may you bloom when you are ready. And perhaps throw in a wish for yourself too. May I nurture what I have planted. May I be patient with the process. May I trust that growth is happening, even when it's hidden. You are both gardener and garden. You tend to yourself even as you tend to your intentions. That is the work. When you feel ready, Imagine yourself standing and taking a step back from your garden. You have planted something today. You have set an intention into the earth of your being. You can return to it, tend to it, water it, and to remember that the garden is always there, and so is the potential. So are you. Growth happens in its own time. You have done your part now. You have planted the seed. Now you can trust the process. Take your time coming back. There is no rush. Your practice is complete. As we gently return from this practice, take a moment to notice how you feel right now compared to when you first pressed play. That's what's possible when you give your nervous system even 2 minutes of intentional rest. Imagine what 3 days could do. If you're ready to go deeper, you are invited to the free 3-day Summer Reset Challenge. In 3 days, find focus, resilience, and alignment. You'll wonder why you waited when you just felt it yourself. The link is in the description. It's free, and it won't be available forever. The only thing you risk by not joining is staying exactly where you were before you press play today.